Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Jinx here today, and we are going to play. Would you rather watch Family Guy or watch The Simpson Family Guy? I said Family Guy. Would you rather lose half your hair, lose half your hearing? My hair. I already got a haircut, so I'll basically be bald. Would you rather witness a meteor hit Earth or witness a volcano erupting? That'd be more cool to get on camera, the meteor, but a volcano would be the same. Let's go for volcano. Would you rather have your Google Earth upgraded to see everything, or have your Skype be able to call anyone at any time? Yeet. The Skype. I said Skype. Would you rather Would you rather win 5,000 for yourself or win for charity, man? You gotta go for charity. Would you rather have permanent clown makeup or have permanent clown clothes? Either way, I'd be killing each people. Like, boy. Would you rather be able to walk on water or be able to breathe underwater? Because if you could walk, you'd go anywhere on the earth. Would you rather WhatsApps or Facebook? Facebook. Alright, we're gonna go to another game I downloaded. Guess that YouTuber. Who is this Pew? Where's the other P? Okay, continue. Watch, this is gonna be Banos. B-A... M... Who is this? Oh, Jenna Marble. Mark A. Whatever. Alright, we're going back to... Let's go back to Would You Rather. Would you rather be your pet for a day, or have a pet be a human for a day? Would you rather always get first dibs or always get the last laugh? Would you rather throw up every day or have diarrhea every day? Throwing up diarrhea every day? Would you rather sue a charity organization and win, or sue a corrupting organization and win? Who sues charities? Would you rather be a giant hamster or be a tiny rhino? Hamster could probably kill. Like, you could just step on it. Would you rather be Star Trek was never created, or have Star was never created? Would you rather punch a toddler or punch an old person? Would you rather play real life Minecraft or play the real life Mario Kart? Mario Kart. Would you rather have to listen to Christmas music or never celebrate Christmas again? Never celebrate Christmas again. Would you rather... I would rather go to work. Oh my god, you... Would you rather shop on Amazon or shop on Amazon? Because eBay will you scam. Would you rather Twitter or Instagram? Twitter. Would you rather receive flowers or receive chocolate? Would you rather have the best house in the bad neighborhood or the worst house in the good neighborhood? Would you rather lose a limb, lose access to your internet, lose a limb? Would you rather go the rest of your life without touching plastic or go the rest of your life without touching metal? Metal. Would you rather work out at home or work out at home? Would you rather only interact with... You're gay if you... No offense to gay people, but if you interact... I like interacting with females, are a lot better. Would you rather have Morgan Freeman narrate your life or have Chuck Norris narrate your life? Morgan Freeman all the way, man. Would you rather be in a famous movie or be a popular TV show? Would you rather have a flight delayed by 8 hours or have luggage lost? Delayed, because if you have your... What if you have, like, your Xbox and your luggage or something, or your wallet and stuff? Would you rather take an ice-cold shower and be clean, or never take a shower again? Ew, you'd smell so bad if you could never take a shower again. That'd be disgusting. Would you rather look skinny standing up but fat sitting down? Look fat standing up but skinny sitting down. Look skinny standing up. Would you rather own the world's greatest shower or own the world's largest, greatest bed? Would you rather be Superman or the Flash? The Flash. Would you rather be James Bond or Jason, so I could kill things? Would you rather receive 1 million pounds now or flip a coin for 1 billion? Flip a coin for 1 billion. Would you rather babysit a crying infant for a day or have a unwanted guest for a week? Would you rather go on holiday with your friends or go on holiday with your... No. Alright, it's been your boy Cam Jinx, and I'll see you in the next one.